Ó dàbí pé ṣe rí bí mo yẹn sọ yẹn a need láti máa educate àwọn èèyàn nísìn because it's like education yẹn gangan ló miss. Ní gbogbo ìlú láyé yìí mi ò rí ìlú tí wọn kì í ṣe history. Nigeria nìkan náà cancel history kúrò nínú education curriculum wa pé no history. Why did they cancel history in your curriculum? Ṣé ní youth gan tẹ̀ ti dìde lọ́jọ́ kan pé why was this history cancelled? Because of this evil act they are hiding. In October 12, 1960, this not Agba independence, this same Amadu Bello, go and read what he said about Nigeria. How many youth even knows that they will turn these northerners to their willing tools? Go to the north now and tell are they not their willing tools now? Are they not their willing tools? And they is there that they will ruthlessly prevent change of power. Awolowo fẹ́ débẹ̀, wọ́n pa bàbá yẹn wọ́n jẹ́ kó débẹ̀ ni. Abiola fẹ́ débẹ̀, wọ́n pa bàbá yẹn wọ́n jẹ́ kó débẹ̀ because they are ruthlessly preventing change of power. Everything tó ń sọ tí Amadu Bello ti sọ látọjọ́ yìí òun náà ń ṣe nísìn. Ruthlessly preventing change of power. Ẹ lọ bèrè dáadáa. Abiola on funny poison genuine. They remove Abiola's intestine. On intestine bàbá yẹn lọ sí Europe kó fẹ́ lọ ṣe intestine. Wọ́n fẹ́ lọ ṣe autopsy intestine yẹn. Bóyá náà kó ìfun bàbá yẹn padà sí Nàìjíríà dé ni. Every time, if you don't lick a Fulani man's house, you can never be a president. Never ever. I will not determine everything for life. You are saying one Nigeria? Are you guys for real? We need to start educating people. Go and read what Amadu Bello said. LOK. I will post it here or just Google the Patriot paper or Amadu's statement in 1960. Go and Google it. That they will capture the South region. He said it. We will capture the South and we will make sure they don't have control over their future. Do you think it's real? Don't you know that it is a weapon? Don't you know it is weapon? The poverty capital of the world. We are the seventh oil producing country in the world. Go and Google first 20 oil producing country in the world. Compare them with Nigeria that is number 7. Nigeria to number 7. Poverty capital of the world. At the moment, the country with the highest, most unemployed youth. 80% in Nigeria at the moment, 80%, they cannot even be boast of 100,000 in their bank account. 2019, before it was the statistics from the bank was 80% they cannot boast of 500,000 in their account. Nisin, oti wa 100,000, they cannot even boast of 100,000 in their account. We are number 3 on the global terrorism index. Nigeria has the most highest IDP camps. We have the highest missing person in the world. Go and Google all these bad statistics to Aloriwa. All in the name of these people, you know. You are talking about one Nigeria. All arrest àwọn èèyàn ní Nigeria. Èèyàn sọ Hausa lẹ́nu ọdẹ fi sílẹ̀. Abẹ́ tí gbọ́ fídíò yẹn léni. Punch news gangan ló tún carry news yẹn. And you are talking about one Nigeria. Are you guys for real? Don't you know we are slaves? Don't you know we are slaves already on our own father's land? Adé láwọn Yorùbá kan tó ṣe ń gbẹ̀yìn tó ń ba ẹbọ jẹ́ káàkiri everywhere. Mélòó la fẹ́ sọ, mélòó la fẹ́ kà? They said it and it will happen. Elokosile afitaba gbaradi, because Amadu Bello said it already that they must conquer the South. But it is a tool. They keep shipping in their population in mass number every day. Truck, Yoruba. Don't you know that is a weapon of mass migration? Until they overpopulate your population and dominate you. By the time the war starts, they will have the same even number to match your number. abẹ́mọ̀ wetin about fẹ́ ja war, you need men to fight war. You need men to fight war. Don't kó wọn wọlé sílẹ̀ Yorùbá every day. Gbogbo area àbí not to dominate. Go to not skinny Southern Kaduna, sorry. They kill Christians there, they maim them, massacre them, go into churches, kill them, and you are talking about one Nigeria. Awúsá Fúlàní ní kọ́lẹ̀ máa rí láyé tẹ́ pé wọ́n máa gbé ọ̀bẹ̀rìn, wọ́n á de bàǹtẹ́, wọ́n á so ìfúnpá mọ́wọ́. Bí Ìgbò gan ṣe lágídí tó gan, they will never do that. Àwọn Awúsá Fúlàní, what is even Awúsá Fúlàní? Awúsá la mọ̀. On hijack gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n sọ da Awúsá Fúlàní. Look at Borno today. The hegemonism why don't you Borno don't you fight a war burúkú ní Borno? I don't even think a lot of people know, because they want to conquer that Borno itself. Because everywhere not in Nehemiah sí. But wọ́n ti Nehemiah because Seriki ló ṣì wà ní Borno yẹn until they take over that Borno and install their emir there. Bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn, they have emir in Lagos, they have emir in Igbo land as well. Wọ́n ti lẹ́mìà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, wọ́n ti lẹ́mìà ní Igbo. Kí lẹ́mìà wá ń jẹ, kí náà ń fẹ́ mìà jẹ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá fún? Because in that Borno, they still have a Seriki as their leader, and they want to take over that territory, that same Borno yẹn. You guys are talking about one Nigeria. You better go and Google and go and research about Sokoto's caliphate before you start talking about one Nigeria. Ṣé yóò rí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní of recent yìí sìn àwọn DSS wọ́n ṣe recruitment and they gave the North 535 positions, they gave the South 93 positions. When we talk about resource management as well, so many things. Mélòó la fẹ́ kà? The first 5 states tó ń remit owó jù sínú pọ́ọ̀sì federal government nísìn, they are all from the South. Allocation ti gbogbo 5 states tó ń remit yẹn tí wọ́n receive every month. When you add all those allocations together, kò tí ì tó allocation tí Kano ń gbà. Kò tí ì tó allocation tí Kano ń gbà. Gbogbo alamọye tá Abacha jí. Up till now, they are still recovering Abacha loot. How many Yoruba or Igbo has ever stolen like that? Gbogbo alamọye tí Babangida jí, ta ló lọ tọwọ́ bọ constitution tó dá gbogbo nǹkan táwọn bàbá ó lọ́wọ́ ṣe síbẹ̀? Ṣé báwọn people yìí náà ni? Don't you know they have plan for you guys? No, we need to start educating people. This is not a joke. We are sitting on a serious tribal time bomb, if you guys don't understand. They messed everything up. Look at Dazuki Mbeyensin. The guy embezzled like almost half of Nigerian treasury. Where is he today now? He's enjoying in his villa. While so many soldiers have been killed, buried in shallow graves. They will come here and be presenting these people to you as innocent, as àwọn Hausa ló dá, àwa Yorùbá, àwọn Igbo dá, àwa là ń ṣe yahoo, àwa là ń ba Nigeria jẹ́. You guys are fools. You are all fools if you don't know. All fools. Look at EFCC as well. This Magu is ṣé Yorùbá náà ni? Ṣé Igbo ni? Look at how much they are looting in our own presence here. Mo send audio kan wọlé nsìn. Even our own food, we cannot even supply our own food. That is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Bọ́n ṣe wà nsìn, tí wọ́n bá ṣẹlẹ̀ nsìn, just the same thing tó ń ṣe fáwọn Igbo nígbà Biafra war. That is exactly what they will do to us, because when they stop supplying us food, that's the problem. Kò sóúnjẹ tá máa jẹ. Ṣáàlè oúnjẹ tá fẹ́ jẹ dà. Ṣé tó máa ń jagun náà lè fẹ́ lọ gbin oúnjẹ? You can't get food. Àwọn náà máa gbé ṣu wá, àwọn náà máa gbé tomato, àwọn náà máa gbé everything wá. They said no rice importation. They shut the border in the south and they opened the border in the north. The largest rice mill nísìn is in Kebbi State. Kebbi State, go and Google it. Ọjọ́ tí Buhari lọ commission kìíní yẹn, a lot of you will see that video. Tí bọ̀bọ̀ kan fẹ́ hug báyìí táwọn security bò tán ní pé wọ́n fẹ́ attack ẹni. That was Kebbi State. Look, go and check that video. You will see the thousands and thousands of rice of bag that was mounted there. Àwọn náà supply gbogbo oúnjẹ tá à ń jẹ. We can't supply our own food. Àwa Yorùbá àjọkò síbẹ̀ à ń wòran. You are talking about one Nigeria. They've dominated everywhere. Keep fooling yourselves. Keep fooling yourselves. Ṣé bó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ojú wa ló máa ṣe? Ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ now. We need to start educating people. We need to start educating ourselves seriously. And when I say seriously, ordinary Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn, it is even in our constitution that self-defense is allowed. Kalosh Amotekun, they are still saying no. Oh, and they have JTF, they have all Ishba and everything in the north, but they will not allow Amotekun in the south. Please, let's get sense. Let's get sense. Eshegon.